DJN TV.
Country people, una welcome to DGM TV, weekly Pidgin English update. I beg, if this one is the first time when it be say you till dey see our videos like this, I take God beg you, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel when be DJM TV. Make you come knock your hand for the notification bell so that you go continue to get our ogbonge news for the pidgin, the entertainment, and even the main news. Me wey wan knack una the story again this week, na him be una country brother Stanley Okocha.
DJN TV.
Hopiano mose no da hose he we mose obaseki we magwalo where those stay urupe doya ewehi urupe maya ewehi manine doya Lemuyo ne APC wu Vedo State Manivye doya Lerunwe Nuin APC Vedo State Obaseki okbia weki Omono mose No da heho se Okbia no weti.
Well, the people say we have done well. And therefore, any contest will be no contest if it's not manipulated. But my party is a lawful party, and they'll do. I hope and I pray that things are done properly and in line with the party constitution. As long as they do that, we don't have any issues at all in Edo State. You see, because the way I got into power, that same way I'm sure I'll retain power. Somebody brought me into power. Somebody gave me power. And it's God that gave me power. And as long as he's alive and he wants me to continue, I will. No man can stop me.
Shey, una don't see the video, una don't hear what una hear. Now, the Rofo fight as it they go, Edo people, they enjoy them. But now when they do the Rofo fight, make una not forget, say, the people who will be the judge on the day of the election, pata. Now the people, when they look at some will be the Edo people. I beg you, if this one will be the first time when you take a look at our video, I beg, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel when it be DJM TV. Make you not forget to knock your hand for the notification bell so that anytime when we just knock our story like this, you go always get them. Whether the Pidgin English version, whether the entertainment version, have been at the main news, you go always get our story. Now so it reached this week. Una bye bye.
DJN TV.